We're continuing to track some of that cooler and even drier air as we get you into this morning. You can kind of feel it in some of our northwesternmost counties, but we're at least in the neighborhood of where we started off yesterday, but it's going to be feeling a lot different. It has a bit of that fall-like feel into this afternoon. Temperatures, though, starting out right around 60 degrees in some spots here as we get you off and running back into the 70s fairly quickly later on this morning, but again, not going to be warming up too much more than that. We get you into your Tuesday afternoon. Satellite and radar all clear, but we're all pretty well behind that cold front, so we're not expecting anything in terms of changes here. That high pressure system going to be dominating much of the upper Midwest, but I want to draw your attention back toward the West Coast. That's actually kind of calling the shots, and of course, as some of these heat alerts in effect for places like Nevada, back toward Utah, and even getting into Arizona and California, you know they mean business when they're warning against some of that heat, and that's that heat dome building back toward the Four Corners region, and much like we saw the last couple of weeks here across mid-Missouri to kick off the month of August, that flows out of the northwest, and as we head into these next couple of days, it's really not going to be changing, so not looking at anything in terms of real big warm-ups coming our direction into mid-Missouri. Over these next couple of days, this is really going to hold all the way through Saturday and Sunday for the better part. Looking over these next 3 days, though, in particular, not only is it going to be beautiful today, but get you into Wednesday, just about a carbon copy. We will slowly but surely start to kind of moderate this air mass here back into those middle 80s by Thursday and Friday, but still, that humidity is really not going to move back in until this weekend when we'll get that summer-like feel back here across the area, but still, we can take that upper 80s this time of year. We could certainly do a lot worse than that. As we head into these next couple of days, really not looking at much in terms of rain chances, at least that we've put onto that forecast, looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. If we are going to be narrowing down some slight rain chances, we're watching Saturday and Sunday. We're going to be watching a cold front sliding on through. You can kind of pick that up with those overnight lows taking a bit of a hit between Saturday and Sunday as we kick off next work week. Going to be starting off right around those lower 60s.